This is how the file opens. The finished artwork is on top, and this is what we'll be painting here. Here are your two background layers. Please don't change the white one, this is important because otherwise your swatches will look different. For beginners, to simplify things, we'll only be painting on these two layers here. One is for gold and one is for all other colors. Those are the only two layers you will need to toggle blue. On all other layers we only use the checkboxes to change the visibility. Here we have the layers with the outlines. As I mentioned, we only toggle the checkboxes on and off. We're working from the bottom up. Each layer contains a swatch to color in the shape on the same layer. Some layers have additional tips. If you accidentally paint on the wrong layer, Procreate will give you a warning because all wrong layers are locked. If you accidentally paint on a gold layer, you will see it immediately too, because everything you paint will turn golden. Once you've painted the layer, you toggle off its visibility with the little checkbox and toggle on the layer above it. In the outlines group, you only ever have one checkbox checked, never more.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house, I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. I know the hour's getting late, I shouldn't sit here to contemplate. I just can't stop thinking about us. I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smile at me. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. close to me. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.
If you like, you can toggle on and off the reference layer anytime to check how your progress is and what you're about to paint.